standing by.
Yeah, hello right back to you there, JB Stone. Shoot, you and old D-Rail both of you guys jumped in there, no doubt about it. Hello to you, JB Stone and my friend Mr. Worldwide D-Rail. I heard some of that D-Rail, but that kind of big and JB Stone jumped in my radio there, break.
JB Stone said, come on.
Oh, I'm doing pretty good. I just got back from the store. Hey, JB Stone, I just got back from the store. That's how I'm doing. Wait a minute. You want me to tell D-Rail to shut the hell up? What's good? Man, he might turn on the crack in their break. Okay. You said you don't want no back talk. Hey, JB Stone. You said you don't want no big and back talk on that end. That got real rough on that end with D-Rail. Now I hear my friend Dangerous T-Bird. He's over there trying to talk to Motormouth Mud Duck giving robot radio checks their break.
Yeah, right, you dig? Well, I can't hear when you got that hammer down. I don't hear nobody but you and nobody but you. Hey, come on. I know I can back it on down, but Fireball, JB Stone said, come on.
I will tell old D-Rail you said hello, JB Stone. Hey, JB Stone, I will tell Mr. Worldwide D-Rail you said hello and howdy doody, no doubt about it. Worldwide JB Stone, Fireball, a.k.a. E.F. Hutton. When I speak, everybody gotta listen, break.
Mr. E.F. Hutton, JB Stone said, come on.
10 Roger on that there. Hello to you, Dangerous T-Bird. You said tell my technician you said hello. Hey, Worldwide Dangerous T-Bird, you key down, said Fireball. You plug in my ears. Tell my technician I said hello. Watch out, JB Stone.
Tell him I said hello right back. Tell him I said hello right back. Tell him I said hello right back. Tell Dangerous T-Bird. I just want to speak to him, 14.
Hey, 10 Roger on that. He said hello right back. Hey, Dangerous T-Bird, JB Stone said he said hello right back. Hey, Dangerous T-Bird, your technician said hello right back. Break. That time around, you jumped in my radio that time, JB Stone. Hey, JB Stone, that time you jumped in my radio, no doubt about it. Boy, there's a lot of people calling Fireball. Hey, JB Stone, I got the whole world calling Fireball while Motormouth Mud Ducks hooping and hollering their break.
That's cause you E.F. Hutton. That's cause you E.F. Hutton. Hey, Fireball, that's because I just come out to say, hey, Fireball, I'm getting down, man.
10 Roger on that there, Dangerous T-Bird. You said you didn't come out to fight. You just came out to say, hey. Hey, Dangerous T-Bird, you said you didn't come out to fight. You just said you come out to say, hey. Well, you did it in fine style. Dangerous T-Bird, my friend, JB Stone, Fireball rocking on.
Hey, Fireball, let us know who's going to fight. Tell him it's a JB Stone knockout.
I don't know, man. Wait a minute, JB Stone. You said Fireball. Tell him this is a JB Stone knockout. Hey, you don't want to do anything to you. Hey, JB Stone, you said tell your friend, Mr. Dangerous T-Bird, this is a JB Stone knockout. Oh, man, it got a little rough and tough there, JB Stone.
Bye. No fight, no competition. Bye-bye.
Hey, JB Stone. Boy, he got in there with you. You said no competition. You tell him no competition. And then old Dangerous T-Bird got in there too. He said something else. Hey, JB Stone, you better watch out for that Dangerous T-Bird.
Say good evening to you. JB Stone is in there.
Boy, you guys are both neck and neck, but old Dangerous T-Bird said, Fireball, tell JB Stone to have a blessed day. Hey, JB Stone, Dangerous T-Bird said, Fireball, tell that copy and JB Stone to have a blessed day. And when he got off the key, JB Stone, you popped out there like Jack in the Box!
Turn it right back to it. Turn it right back to it. Hey, Fireball. Don't you get hungry. Hey, Fireball, you're not going home with crackers. He popped out like Jack in the Box. That'd be like I'll let you later. Fireball, Mr. Dangerous.
All right, there, JB Stone. I mean, Dangerous T-Bird. Hey, Dangerous T-Bird, but it's true, though. When you got off the key, popped out like Jack in the Box. Hey, Dangerous T-Bird, it ain't my fault there, Break.
I'm out the way. Good night, good job, Mr. Jamie Stone. With the name of T-Bird. Damn, good job. Get down here in the bottom side of the bayou country. Say no Raj, yo, nobody's business.
10 Raj on that, I will tell him. Hey, worldwide, Dangerous T-Bird. You said tell your technician, Mr. J.B. Stone, good job and have a good day. Hey, Dangerous T-Bird, you said tell your technician, good job and have himself a blessed night. Break.
Oh, what's up, Fireball? Hey, Fireball, what's up, Captain Bigger? Snoop Dogg said what's happening? Hey, Fireball, what's going on, man? Snoop Dogg down here in the bayou said what's going on? I'm trying to get up around, what they call that where you live, Bombay Beach, California. Fireball, Snoop Dogg in the bayou country waving at you. Fireball, Snoop Dogg said, come on.
Come on down there, Snoop Dogg. I lost my friends, Dangerous T-Bird and J.B. Stone. Hey, come on down there, my friend, Mr. Worldwide Snoop Dogg. Hello to you, Snoop Dogg. You're right in this Bombay Beach, California. Hello to you, Snoop Dogg. Fireball right back.
Hey, Fireball, I don't even talk on the radio that much no more, man. And Mother Nature gonna do me like that? You start falling out as soon as you move the hook up with me. Take care, Fireball, Snoop Dogg. Oh, Moonlighter. Oh, right back to you, the Moonlighter. Hey, Moonlighter, good evening. How you doing? J.B. Stone say good.
I know, that's what's happening, too. Hey, yep, Snoop Dogg, that is what happened, man. You jumped in my radio, you all over it, and then you fell down, and my friend old J.B. Stone jumped in there talking to Moonlighter. And Moonlighter over there trying to comb his one gray hair up there. Hey, J.B. Stone. Moonlighter's trying to comb his one gray hair that he has on his head.
Turn away. Moonlighter, that time my Fireball got my ears closed. Hey, Moonlighter, five time nigga, oh, shit. Let me get out of here, man. I got better things to do, man. Well, ease on out of here. Let Mother Nature do what she do, Snoop Dogg. Why you can't Fireball take care of you? Got a copy. Or Snoop Dogg in the swamplands getting down.
You came back. Hello to you. Hey, Snoop Dogg, you came back in my radio. That's just the way these conditions are this evening, man. Them kind of big and boys up there in Alaska, they're hooping and hollering. Oh, nobody's business in 5-4. They've been hooping and hollering for the last 15 minutes trying to get their name called there, Snoop Dogg. But I took all their copy conditions. They're like, oh, you want to hear that Fireball? Oh, you want to hear that Fireball? I got that mall on their copy and ass is.
I'm sorry. Fireball, have a good evening.
I left old Snoop Dogg on the mall, JB Stone. Hey, JB Stone. I left my friend the fluffy puppy on the Cop-Bacon Mall slobbering in a Mickey Fleeky with his mouth wide open. JB Stone, you got that mall laid down.
Fireball. Hey, what kind of nigga is that thing? This time you leave JB Stone slobbering in the mic. Fireball, Snoop Dogg cutting off radios. Let's go.
Oh man, you want me to leave JB Stone slobbering in the microphone? Hey, JB Stone, Snoop Dogg. You want me to leave JB Stone slobbering in a microphone with his mouth wide open?
Yeah. So he's riding with the smell of his riding teeth into the atmosphere. Yeah, fireball, yo. I can't make a fireball came in my radio. I know you think you was running over so it was though. I can't make a fireball. So we had a section with me, we was going back and forth, but that's the way it is. How much weight a big man general I'm getting down?
Okay, I heard some of that, man. I heard some of that there, Snoop Dogg. That cop pig and dangerous T-Bird jumping in my radio, trying to talk to that cop pig and motor mouth mud duck. Hey, dangerous T-Bird. You know old motor mouth mud duck can't talk when Fireball's out here. Hey, dangerous T-Bird. You know motor mouth muddy duck can't talk on the radio when Fireball's out here there, break.
I'll tell him more about Maul that you had that stick down, and I had to talk to my radio, and my radio was talking to you. Fireball, I'm not saying the total that's my homeboy. Fireball, I'm getting down.
Hey, 10 Roger on that, no doubt about it. That's your homeboy. Hey, dangerous T-Bird, you said that's your homeboy. Well, I just was getting out on the radio to say hello, man, and you guys all got my cop bigger radio buried over here. Worldwide, my friend, Dangerous T-Bird, Fireball, a.k.a. E.F. Hutton, is rocking on.
Real good copy. Hey, Fireball, keep on what you're keeping on. Copy me because you're doing it good, so it good. Tell the First Lady, the little ones, we say howdy, we get out the way and read the marriage. I said, I didn't come out here to fight though, but I'm ready. Fireball, how that's your rate, I'm getting down.
10 Roger on that there, Dangerous T-Bird. You said you didn't come out here to fight, but you ready. Hey, Dangerous T-Bird, you said you didn't come out to fight, but you ready. Dangerous T-Bird, you got that mall laid down. I was letting you know.
Tell him I said good job. Tell T-Bird, JB Stone said good job. Hey, Fireball. Tell T-Bird, good job. Fireball, JB Stone is good enough.
10 Roger on that there, JB Stone. I will tell your friend, Mr. Dangerous T-Bird, you said good job. If he keyed up, he'd cut your lips off. Hey, JB Stone, you said tell your cop-beacon friend, Mr. Worldwide Dangerous T-Bird, you said good job.
Good job. Tell him he make me proud. JB Stone, real proud. I'm real proud of him. Fireball, JB Stone is good enough.
10 Roger on that there, JB Stone. You said tell that Dangerous T-Bird that he makes you really proud. Hey, JB Stone. You said tell old Dangerous T-Bird that he makes you really, really proud of the cop big and JB Stone.
You want to know if you want to look at it? I think the only way you'll look at it. Saying that. That question, I'm not going to repeat that right. Hey, Motor Mouth. Who you talking to? Hey, Motor Mouth, Windjammer. Hey, Motor Mouth. I heard every word you said. Hey, Daddy, JB Stone. check audio. Check audio. Daddy Yardstick. But I ain't gonna repeat that now. Vibrator here. Vibrator here. I'm going back to the track. Vibrator here, baby. Also, hey, Daddy Yardstick.
Maybe Daddy Yardstick needs to start jumping up and down like a pogo stick. Hey, JB Stone, maybe Daddy Yardstick needs to start jumping up and down like a pogo stick there, break.
Hey, I'm gonna get around here and bag it down. It's getting kind of rough out there, and I'm gonna bag it on down. Matter of fact, I gotta go let Rex out. Rex out. Hey, catch you later. Hey, Daddy, y'all still have a good evening. Fireball, you still got a copy. JB Stone, this
Oh yeah, I'm still here. Hey, JB Stone, I'm still over here. Hey, JB Stone, give Rex a bone for Fireball. Hey, JB Stone, give Rex a bone for Fireball. JB Stone, I'm gone.
Fireball, here's when that come in, Motor Mouth got about that key. That come in got a big old stick down right now. All right, then, Motor Mouth, catch you later. Fireball, catch you later. I'm going to that Rex out. JB Stone, piss out. Hey, somebody's coming up with something different.
All right, go do what you got to do. Hey, JB Stone, go do what you got to do, Mr. JB Stone. Fireball's gone.